Sleep that's out of this world. In order to truly understand the benefits of memory foam, we'll need to take a walk down memory lane. It was originally developed by NASA as a more comfortable seat cushion for astronauts. This space-age product quickly made its way to the bedroom because of its ability to mold and shape to a person's body. But the story doesn't end there. Simmons decided to improve on traditional memory foam by developing their AirCool memory foam. Its open-cell structure allows for higher airflow than traditional memory foam, an innovation that's designed to help you sleep cooler at night. The open-cell technology was such a big breakthrough, we've incorporated it into nearly all of the Beautyrest beds we make today. The AirCool Micro-Diamond Infused, AirCool Max, and AirCool Gel memory foams all contain this same open-cell structure. So each Beautyrest mattress is designed to provide you with a cool, comfortable sleep. And no matter which one you choose, you'll wake up feeling out of this world.